so excited to tell you I now have my own website. It's www.mauikarenann.com. You can view all my paintings and see if there's one that you wish, and all shipping is free. Aloha everybody, welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Thank you for watching, and my subscribers, a special shout out for watching. I want you to know that I've got some silver on this and I couldn't figure out how it came, so I looked and I guess it's the Folk Art Ice Blue. It really turned out pretty. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please say them below. Thank you.